Chapter 31. Synonyms and Antonyms. Synonyms. A synonym is a word or an expression that has the same or almost the same meaning to another. Examples: awful or terrible, big or large. Smart or clever, photograph or picture. Word origin: Greek, syn is equal to same, onyma is equal to a name. Short list of synonyms in English, listed by the part of speech. Nouns: belly or stomach, children or kids. Disaster or catastrophe, earth or soil. Father or dad, happiness or joy. Instinct or intuition, mother or mom. Present or gift, sunrise or dawn. Verbs: answer or reply, beat or defeat. Behave or act, begin or start. Close or shut, leave or exit. Provide or supply, select or choose. Shout or yell, speak or talk. Adjectives: big or large, complete or total. Correct or right, crazy or mad. Foolish or silly, happy or glad. Hard or difficult, ill or sick. Last or final, near or close. Sad or unhappy, stable or steady. Adverbs: abroad or overseas, almost or nearly. Badly or poorly, fast or quickly. Intentionally or on purpose, out or outside. Rarely or seldom, sometimes or occasionally. Surely or for sure, very or highly or extremely. Prepositions: above or over, about or regarding or concerning. Against or versus, below or beneath or under. By or via, despite or in spite of. In or into or inside, off or away. Until or till, with or including. Conjunctions: and or plus, because or since. But or yet, if or provided. Once or as soon as, though or although. Interjections: hello or hi, gee or gosh. Goodness or goodness me or my goodness, no or no. Oh Lord or good Lord, thanks or thank you. Whoopee or yahoo or hooray, yes or yeah. Antonyms. An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. Examples: old or new, black or white. Strong or weak, break or fix. Word origin: Greek, anti is equal to opposite, onym is equal to name. Short list of antonyms in English, listed by the part of speech. Nouns: day or night, east or west. Enemy or friend, failure or success. Guest or host, health or disease. Question or answer, speaker or listener. Summer or winter, top or bottom. Verbs: agree or disagree, arrive or leave. Begin or end, fall asleep or wake up. Find or lose, lend or borrow. Love or hate, open or close. Remember or forget, start or stop. Adjectives: asleep or awake, beautiful or ugly. Big or small, black or white. Cheap or expensive, dead or alive. Dry or wet, easy or difficult. Full or empty, good or bad. Hot or cold, intelligent or stupid. Sad or happy, sick or healthy. Thin or fat, calm or noisy. Adverbs: always or never, angrily or happily. Fast or slowly, here or there. Inside or outside, likely or unlikely. near or far, partly or fully, seemingly or actually, yesterday or tomorrow. Prepositions: above or below, against for, before or after, in or out, like or unlike, on or off, plus or minus, to or from, towards or away, with or without. Conjunctions: and or, therefore or nevertheless. Interjections: bravo or boo, hello or goodbye, few or ropes, thanks or no thanks, yes or no, yippee or oh my. When you add this, un, in, im, ir and il prefixes with some words, they become antonyms. Examples: advantage, disadvantage, credible, incredible. Continue, discontinue, effective, ineffective. Order, disorder, efficient, inefficient. Qualified, disqualified, formal, informal. Satisfied, dissatisfied, visible, invisible. Legal, illegal, rational, irrational. Legible, illegible, recoverable, irrecoverable. Balance, imbalance, regular, irregular. Mature, immature, relevant, irrelevant. Measurable, immeasurable, reparable, irreparable. Mobile, immobile, replaceable, irreplaceable. Moral, immoral, attended, unattended. Movable, immovable, authorized, unauthorized. Patient, impatient, available, unavailable. Polite, impolite, avoidable, unavoidable. Probable, improbable, conscious, unconscious. Accurate, inaccurate, foreseen, unforeseen. Complete, incomplete, forgivable, unforgivable. Convenient, inconvenient, necessary, unnecessary.